Welcome. Take a moment to settle into a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax. Allow yourself to let go of any tension, any distractions. This is your time, your moment to connect with inner peace and healing energy. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body soften. Feel your shoulders drop, your muscles loosen, and your mind gently quiet. Now bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it, just observe. Feel the air as it moves in and as it flows out. Let each inhale fill you with calmness. Let each exhale release any tension. Your body is relaxed, your mind is at ease, your thoughts begin to slow, like ripples settling on a still lake. As you continue breathing, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. This light is gentle, healing, and peaceful. With every inhale, it fills your body, nourishing every cell. With every exhale, it dissolves any stress, any heaviness. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more at peace. Your muscles are soft, your heartbeat steady, your mind clear. You are here, in this moment. There is nowhere to be, nothing to do, just you, your breath, and this deep sense of presence. Now, silently repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am calm. I am safe. I am exactly where I need to be. My body is strong, healthy, and filled with energy. My mind is clear and at peace. I honor myself with kindness and compassion. Feel these words settle within you. Let them become part of your being. Now, imagine yourself standing beneath a gentle waterfall of pure, healing energy. This energy washes over you, cleansing your mind, your body, your soul. It renews you, bringing clarity, strength, and balance. You are connected to yourself. You are connected to life. Slowly, with deep gratitude, begin to bring your awareness back. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take a deep breath in and a long, gentle exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. You are calm, you are balanced, you are whole.